Looking to whip up smoothies, margaritas, or icy cocktails at home? The best blender for frozen drinks delivers powerful performance, consistent blending, and durability, ensuring your beverages come out smooth, frosty, and delicious every single time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja SS101 Frozen Drink Blender. The Ninja SS101 Frozen Drink Blender is a compact powerhouse that delivers excellent performance for smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient-rich recipes. Featuring a 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker with a built-in tamper, it easily handles frozen foods with minimal liquid, making it perfect for thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and even homemade ice cream. It also includes a 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup that breaks down fruits and vegetables more efficiently than previous models, ensuring smoother extractions while retaining valuable vitamins and nutrients. At its core, the 1200 peak watt Smart Torque motor powers through heavy loads without stalling or requiring extra stirring, giving you smooth and consistent results every time. With 6 versatile functions including blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads, this blender provides plenty of flexibility for everyday use. The Auto IQ technology makes blending even easier, using intelligent timed pulsing and pausing patterns that take the guesswork out of your recipes. Cleanup is simple thanks to its dishwasher-safe parts and easy-to-clean base. Offering 2-in-1 blending capabilities with both a smoothie bowl maker and nutrient extraction cup, the Ninja SS101 is an excellent option for anyone seeking a reliable and versatile frozen drink blender that saves time without compromising on performance.
Number 2. Ninja BR601 AMZ Frozen Drink Blender. The Ninja BR601 AMZ Frozen Drink Blender is a versatile and powerful kitchen appliance designed to make creating frozen drinks, smoothies, and other blended recipes effortless. Equipped with a 1200-watt motor, this blender can tackle even the toughest ingredients, delivering smooth, restaurant-quality results every time. Its standout feature is the inclusion of 5 preset programs, which automatically adjust speed and blending time for smoothies, frozen drinks, extractions, chopping, and dough preparation. Also included, catering to users who need on-the-go convenience without sacrificing quality or consistency. Designed for durability and ease of use, the Ninja BR601 AMZ combines the power of a professional blender with the convenience of multiple blending and fruit preparation options in one appliance. Its thoughtful design and range of features make it a reliable choice for families, home bartenders, and health-conscious individuals alike. From crushing ice for frozen drinks to chopping ingredients for recipes, this blender handles a wide variety of tasks while maintaining consistent performance.
Number 3. Margaritaville Frozen Drink Blender. The Margaritaville Frozen Drink Blender is designed for true frozen cocktail lovers, offering a premium experience that goes beyond standard blending. Unlike typical blenders that crush ice, this model creates authentic shaved ice, resulting in smoother and more consistent frozen drinks. Its extra-large ice reservoir can produce up to 2.5 pitchers of frozen concoctions, making it ideal for parties or family gatherings where multiple servings are needed, making entertaining smoother and quicker. Measuring 9 by 14 by 19 inches, it is compact enough for countertops yet has the capacity to serve a crowd. All parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free, while its 450-watt motor provides adequate power for its specialized purpose. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, this blender ensures peace of mind along with performance. For those who love margaritas, daiquiris, and other frozen drinks, the Margaritaville Frozen Drink Blender brings a touch of vacation-style luxury to your home. Number 4. H-Duka 1800-watt Frozen Drink Blender. The H-Duka 1800-watt frozen drink blender is a professional-grade powerhouse designed to handle everything from frozen cocktails to nut butters with ease. Featuring a robust 1800-watt motor that reaches speeds up to 28,000 RPM, it can pulverize ice, frozen fruits, nuts, and tough ingredients effortlessly. Its 3D 6-leaf stainless steel blades are corrosion-resistant and designed to stay sharp, ensuring smooth textures and long-lasting durability. and a 5-minute timer for convenience. Whether you want a silky puree, chunky salsa, or creamy frozen drink, this blender adapts with ease. Cleanup is simple thanks to its self-cleaning function. Just add water and let it run. Dishwasher-safe parts further simplify maintenance, though the grinding cup should be hand-washed. Made with durable, BPA-free materials, this high-performance blender is built for both everyday use and special recipes.
Number 5. Chefman 1380-watt frozen drink blender. The Chefman 1380-watt frozen drink blender, also known as the Obliterator, combines high performance with modern design. With its 1380-watt motor and advanced airflow system, it easily crushes ice while staying quieter than many competing models, making it ideal for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks at any time of day. Its 48-ounce shatter-resistant Triton jar offers ample capacity for family-sized servings while still being lightweight and durable. Cleaning is simple with 2 options: a clean preset using soap and water, or dishwasher-safe accessories. Its innovative blunt blade design ensures safety while maintaining performance. Awarded the 2024 Red Dot Design Award, its sleek matte black finish makes it as stylish as it is functional, a perfect addition to any kitchen. If you love smoothies, milkshakes, or cocktails, having the best blender for frozen drinks is essential. The right blender transforms ice and frozen fruit into smooth, refreshing creations with ease. From compact single-serve models to heavy-duty machines for parties, these top-rated blenders deliver power, convenience, and consistency, ensuring every drink comes out perfectly blended and delicious.